Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files. Following that, click on one of those apps, select your files from here, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sections. You can also choose audio and videos filters at the top. Finally, hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you are struggling with adding a video file using this section, because it's too big, tap on Gallery instead of Files. Then select Gallery over here, tap on Folders, select Videos filter, hold your video and click on Select over here. This should fix it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!